Contamination goes both ways. Full contamination is when we bring our own earthly bacteria into another planet or extraterrestrial place. Backwards contamination is when we bring back unknown microbes or organisms into our own Earth ecosystem that could do a lot of damage to us. We have to understand that with this contaminations, there's a lot of ethical questions and scientific problems that arise. Have to read it?
Yeah.
Alright. The ethics of space exploration. When we look at this, we should be focusing on these ethical matters. Remember, this raises a lot of ethical questions. If there is life elsewhere, are we in the right to be messing with that life? And would that be considered ethical? And even if there isn't life elsewhere, is it right for us to go mess with another planet and potentially ruin their ecosystem? But exploration isn't controlled. We have to remember that our effects on other planets is very detrimental. Our Earth microbes can ruin an alien planet in less than a day, and we need to be factoring in this when we consider what's ethical and what's not. If we don't contain aliens, like alien matter or their bacteria, we could potentially run the risk of hurting our own ecosystem at Earth.
When exploration isn't controlled, the effects can be dangerous. Earth microbes could take over alien ecosystems, or our scientists could mistake them for extraterrestrial life. If alien material isn't contained properly, it can even lead to the destruction of ecosystems and even the death of humans. To prevent contamination, NASA's Viking missions were likely baked before launch, and during construction, probes were constructed in white scrubs to prevent contamination of microbial life. Future missions, like the NASA sample return, include airtight contamination labs, but private companies may not follow the same strict standards.
When we explore space, we have to be careful not to harm other planets or bring back anything that could harm the Earth. That's why we have the Outer Space Treaty and the Coast Guard Planet Protection Policies, and that's why they're so important. They have a set of rules that apply to all agencies, whether if they're private or government, to prevent contamination for all space exploration. By setting clear rules and limits, we make sure our curiosity doesn't cause harm. Controlled exploration protects the integrity of science, meaning our discoveries are real and not influenced by contamination. It also respects potential life, whether it's microbes on Mars or unknown forms elsewhere. Before we even know they exist. Most importantly, it shows that humanity can learn from our mistakes on Earth life, like pollution and habitat destruction, and avoid repeating them as we explore the universe. Responsible exploration means we can discover new worlds without causing the same problems.